There are 3 questions to ask your maternity photographer before you book with them. So if you don't want to waste your hard-earned money, stick around for this video. What's going on to all of my expecting parents? I am Jaylin Jet Dorsey-Mitchell, an all-inclusive maternity photographer out of Detroit, Michigan. And in this video today, I want to tell you what I feel like is the 3 most important questions to ask your maternity photographer before booking with them. So the first question is to ask them is, can you accommodate my desires and vision for my maternity photo shoot? Your maternity photo shoot is unique to you and is not the same as another expecting mother. When discerning which maternity photographer is for you, asking them if they can accommodate your vision for your maternity photo shoot is very important. You want a maternity photographer who will personalize your session, not put you on a plain background or a plain set that everybody has shot on, and then just sit there and take your photos and send you home with a gallery full of images that you rather delete. A photographer who values your input and adapts their craft to what you need usually provides a personalized, memorable experience. The second question you want to ask is, how much time will you take off my plate? You are busy being a wife, a working woman, and nesting for a new child. It's important that you work with a maternity photographer who doesn't require you to do any work at all. From creating your own idea to bringing it to life, deciding what to wear, who's going to do your hair, who's going to do your makeup. All those little details of a maternity photo shoot are important. And if you are going to have to do all the work, it may lead to stress. That's why I always suggest my married expecting parents to book the maternity photographer that takes the most weight off their plate. The third and final question that I would suggest you to ask your maternity photographer is, what will they give you in this offer? So when you book with them and it's all said and done, what will you get in return? All right. The goal is to have memories to share with your friends and family online, wall art to put in your home, and beautiful memories to look at in albums to share with your child when they get older. So you want to make sure the maternity photographer you are considering can give you the memories that you want. Now, it's very important once you book your maternity photographer to be able to give them an idea to work with if you want them to personalize your maternity photo shoot experience. That's why I created the Maternity Idea Vault full of 900 plus maternity photo shoot ideas inside of it that you can use as inspiration to create an idea for your own. All you have to do is click the link in the description and I'll send it right over to you.